In today's video, we're going to be trading gold in Forex. I'm looking for price to trade up into this area right over here, into these up close candles right here. 50% roughly lines up about this, where this line is right here. I'm looking for price to trade up into this level, mitigate at this level, and then looking for it to take out a daily low. So this is a daily low I want us to take out. So this was like the previous day's low. I'm going to place my stop loss above this high right over here. So my stop loss is roughly about 8 pips or 8.4 pips, and then I'm going for about 90 pips, so roughly about like a 1 to 10. You can see down here that price eventually broke above all these highs, running out this liquidity, and what we've done, we've come back down to respect the last down close candle. Okay, we've not closed beneath the last down close candle, and so now I'm looking for price to go up. Well, technically, if we can get above this up close candle right here, I'll be a lot more confident about this trade. So you can see this institutional candle right now. Okay, this is where price is struggling to be at the moment. But if we can be above this high over here, if we can close above this high on this lower time frame, then I'll be a lot more confident to hold this trade all the way to my area over here. If we don't close above this, if we struggle down here, this trade becomes invalid. So as you can see, we are getting that push up. We need to break above this. This is like the main one. This is the main institutional candle to the upside that ran out the liquidity to the top. So we need to push above this. And so this is what we're doing right now. If we push above this, then holding up to here is a no-brainer. Because what we're doing is we are violating up close candles, right, and we're respecting down close candles. So if I just mark it up real quick so you can see it, this is a last up close candle that took liquidity. At the same time, this is a last down close candle down here, boom, from this high to this low. There we go, boom. We have a last down close candle right here. As you can see, we're using what we've learned about institutional trading, and we're trading this. I am going to show this to you on Instagram. And over here, you can see right here, we have that last up close candle. The push runs out the high. So technically, if we beat this high, we should go higher. If we stay within this institutional candle, then we should start dropping again. But then we need to see it respect this. We've got our two institutional candles. We've got one over here, and we've got another one right over here. If we violate this one, then this is going to be a good sign, and we should get high prices. So anyway, guys, I'm going to update you guys in a bit. Hopefully we get moving. So here's another update. I have adjusted the last down close candle. It did actually start from here. There was lows down here. We ran out those lows and then we pushed higher. This is if you wanted to refine it even more. We have broken above the last up close candle. I am very confident in this trade right now. Now I'm expecting this trade to go up and at least get up to this up close candle over here. We do have other ones, but this is the one that stands out to me the most. This is where we need to come back and mitigate. We're good so far. We're good. We're moving fine. We are roughly about how many pips in profit at the moment? We're roughly about, well, we've gone up about 30 something pips. We have another 30 something pips to go. And for those wondering, this would be a 1 to 10. This would be a 1 to 10. Cool. All right. Update you guys in a bit. We are moving. You can see prices now trading up even higher, but like I said, this trade here would have to respect this last up close candle for a return back down. And then what I'll probably do is I'll probably target some kind of external liquidity, so maybe like a daily low. But for now, you can see this trade is moving blessed. So if you do want to see the trade, I am going to post it on Instagram as well, so you guys can see it for yourself. But this is a blessed trade, just using the institutional concepts that you've seen over part 1, 2, and 3. Just a quick interruption in the video. If you are getting value from this video, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel to 20,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. Also, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Let's try and get this video to 400 likes. I'm not too sure if I mentioned it actually on the advanced market structure video using institutional candles, but you can use that same market structure on the lower time frames. You can use it on the 1 minute time frame to catch it, your intraday plays as well. And once we get up here, we will be taking profit. We will be taking profit once we get right up here. All right, family, so here's another update. Literally, I was about to go out to go do a bit of shopping, and I can see price literally just smashed TP and activated my sell limit. So we're good in both trades. So we're gonna go ahead and trade this down now. So we're good. I've closed out this trade over here. So this was a nice little 1 to 10, and I forgot to take the screenshot. Oh snap! Oh man, I closed out. Oh, that's so annoying. And I even closed that just a little bit late, so I didn't even put a TP here. I closed out roughly about 1805.38, annoyingly roughly about here, so I didn't even catch the full thing. So this is where I actually closed out. on that trade, but I am activated in this trade over here. It's all good. But as you can see, we're respecting this. We're respecting this last up close candle. The stop losses was 8.4 pip stop loss, and then we're going to go to the lows. We're going to go to the lows now. This is so annoying. I really wanted to take the screenshot before, but I completely forgot. But it's all good. It's all good. It happens. It happens. And the funny thing is, I actually had two sell limits up here. So I had one at 806, which is this one over here, 06, and I had one at 24. So literally up here. So I'm in it twice, which is good. So guys, we're good so far. We're happy. Everything's blessed. Now we need to see it close beneath a last down close candle. If it can close beneath this over here, then I'll be happy taking this all the way down. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and target some external liquidity and target like yesterday's low. You know, there's going to be money down here as well. So we got money over here too. Boom. And we also got money down here as well. So then we're going to go ahead and target all of this. So there's money here. There's money here. That's all we care about, man. There's money here. So this is going to be our target if we respect this. If we respect this last up close candle. Alright guys, so here's probably going to be the last update, because it does look like price is looking to turn around. We're breaking back above these highs at the moment. I have risk-free this trade. I have risk-free this trade right now. And so if it does come back up here, it will take me out. It literally just moved it into a 2 pip stop profit. So literally just beyond entry. So I've done that as well. So this could just be a run of these highs. We'll wait and see if it does break back beneath this level down here. But ultimately, if this trade does play out, we'll be looking to target these equal lows. These equal lows are going to be a drawn price. So right near at the bottom of this last down close candle, if price traded back down to it, these equal lows should invalidate this last down close candle. So we should violate this and go ahead and attack the daily low, the previous day's low. So we'll wait and see. It could just be a run of the highs. But even if it is a run of the highs, once it breaks back beneath this level down here, we should be good for the drop all the way down to this level down here. But for now, I have risk-freed my trade. You can see it never came out to stop us out. We had a 2 pip stop profit for this one. We wanted to see price respect this last up close candle and then trade lower. So far we're good. We are literally floating how many pips in profit at the moment? So we're literally, well, it's gone as far as 72 pips, but we're literally at 53 pips at the moment. We've run these equal lows. We have run these equal lows down here, but I still believe we can get down here. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and move my stop loss into more profit. We had a run to 9, 10-ish down here. It wasn't a 1 to 10 because I didn't exactly close it up here. You know, I wasn't looking. It was hit, moved it, and when I came back to look at the charts, it was already down here. Right, it was already pushing low. I'm going to move my stop loss into profit on this one. I'm going to move my stop loss right over here. I'm going to move my stop loss right over here at 1803.50-ish. That's how I'm going to leave it. And if it comes up to stop me out, it's all good. It's still a blessed win. So I've moved my stop loss a bit lower now. So I've moved it right to this low over here. So 1802.50. 1802.50. This is where I've moved it back. So what it is basically, it's just above the most current last up close candle over here. If it does beat this high, then we should be attacking these highs again. So this is why my stop loss is right here. I'm not going to chance it and wait for it to come up all the way here again. I might as well wait for a reversal sign up here again and then take it lower. Alright guys, so here's another update regarding the trade. You can see price is literally at this low again. This is where I took partials on this trade. So I completely missed taking partials here because I wasn't in. I was out at the time, but I wasn't going to miss it this time. So I'm going to leave the rest to ride to go and snatch, you know, a daily low, this daily low right here. But we're not far off. We're roughly maybe about what, 20 pips off from there. So it is what it is. It's good. It's a good day of trading. We caught the move up, you know, using this institutional play, and now we caught the move down too. Once again, price has not run us out. We put our stop loss at 1802.50, roughly just above this high over here. You can see they created equal highs. They might come for this later on. For now, we're good, but right now we are very close to that previous day's low. So this low here is the target. We're roughly maybe about 20 pips off, 20 pips away from here, 20 pips away from this area. So we should be able to get down here and run out these lows. So we're not far at all. So guys, this has been a blessed trade so far. We've had the push up, we've had the push down, and we're Gucci. We're absolutely Gucci. This was a nice trade. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and taken partials when price was at this low down here. I've taken partials on the trade. So I took off 80%, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave 20% to ride to come and snatch these daily lows. Either way, we're good. My stop loss is in place. My stop loss is in place at the moment, and so no matter what happens, we're absolutely blessed for the day. So this is probably the very last update. You can see basically this is what we wanted. So there was our low over here. This was our low, the previous day's low. We came and smashed through those targets. Unfortunately, it did take me out first before, but it's all good. We started a decent win here and a good win here as well. That's going to be the end of the video. If you did like the video, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel to 20,000 subscribers. You're going to get that institutional. You're going to get all kinds of source from this channel. Okay, anything smart money, anything institutional, you're going to hear it from this channel. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. I want about 400 likes on the video. If I get 400 likes, then I know you guys are ready for the next one. Other than that, guys, have a blessed day. Peace.